Hello guys and welcome to Sapporo, and this is Sapporo Factory. It's basically shopping mall, fancy shopping mall, and they are ready for Christmas here obviously. I'm gonna be back in the evening at some point. Not sure if today, but I will for sure because it's nicely lit. Like Christmas lights everywhere and stuff. Okay. Sapporo Factory Christmas 2023. Just sneak a peek here. Of course, the KFC. You see the corner in the Christmas attire. Because Japanese apparently they go to, for Christmas meal to KFC for some reason. Cinemas up there. Just the shops and stuff. It's nice. See you guys.